You know that feeling when payday hits and the money's already gone before you even spend it? You're not broken. You're not bad with money. You just need a better system. More than half of Americans live paycheck to paycheck right now. It's not about how much you make. It's about having a plan that actually works. Here are 5 steps that will get you from stressed about money to sleeping better at night. Step 1. Find your leaks. Pull up your bank app right now. Look at the last 30 days. Circle 3 things you're paying for that you forgot about. Maybe it's that streaming service you signed up for during a free trial. Maybe it's the gym membership you haven't used since January. Cancel those 3 things this week. Take that exact amount and move it somewhere else. Don't let it disappear back into general spending. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Step 2. Build your safety net. Open a separate savings account. Set up an automatic transfer for every payday. Start small. Even $25 makes a difference. Your first goal is $500. That's it. Not $10,000, not 6 months of expenses, just $500. This little cushion will catch the next car repair or medical bill before it becomes credit card debt. And once you have it, you'll sleep better knowing it's there. Step 3. Kill the credit card spiral. If you have credit card debt, we're going to attack it smart, not hard. Stop using the cards for new purchases for 30 days. Pay cash or use your debit card. List your cards and their interest rates. Pay the minimums on all of them. Then throw any extra money at the one with the highest interest rate. When that card is paid off, take everything you were paying on it and attack the next highest rate. Keep rolling those payments down until they're all gone. This isn't complicated. It just takes consistency. Step 4. Pay your future self first. Here's the thing nobody tells you about investing. You don't need to understand the stock market. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Open an account with any major investment company. Put $50 or $100 a month into a simple index fund. Set it on autopilot. The market goes up and down, but over years, it goes up more than it goes down. You just need to show up consistently and let time do the work. Start now, even if it's small. Every month you wait is money you can't get back later. Step 5. Grow the gap. Every time you get a raise, a bonus, or you pay off a bill, don't let that money disappear into your regular spending. Take half of any new money and send it straight to savings or investments. Let your lifestyle improve a little, but let your future improve more. Once a month, spend an hour checking your bills. Call your phone company. Shop around for car insurance. Look for better deals. When you save money, don't just let it float away. Send it somewhere specific. Start today. Here's what you can do in the next 5 minutes. Set up that automatic savings transfer, even if it's tiny. Cancel one subscription you don't really need. If you have credit card debt, schedule one extra payment to the highest rate card. That's it. 3 small moves that will start changing your money story immediately. What changes? Financial peace isn't about being rich. It's about not worrying about money every single day. It's paying bills without stress. It's having a cushion when life happens. It's knowing your debt is shrinking and your savings are growing. It's sleeping better because you have a plan that's working quietly in the background. You don't have to stay stuck. These 5 steps work if you work them. Start with one, then add the next. Small moves, big changes. If this helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Liberty Wealth Academy for more real-world money advice that actually makes sense. Comment below which step you're starting with today. Next vid, we are breaking down how to start investing with just $100. Just simple steps to get your money working for you.